The mission of the Indiana University Geriatric Medicine Fellowship is to train fellows in geriatric care in a multi-hospital system with the help of skilled faculty to prepare them to practice in a broad range of clinical settings.
Indiana University as a whole, and particularly our Geriatrics Fellowship, serves a wide variety and diversity of patient populations. We have 3 different health systems affiliated with Indiana University where our fellows rotate. So it just gives our learners, our fellows, this tremendous breadth and depth of experience.
Research is a really important part of the fellowship experience because it provides the fellows with the opportunity to firsthand get their arms wrapped around what the research process is like. Ultimately, all clinicians rely on the evidence produced by researchers, just like the investigators in the IU Center for Aging Research. And we believe that this research component of the fellowship helps increase fellows' expertise as consumers of research and clinicians into the future.
Innovation is crucial in this fellowship because we don't believe without innovation skill set you can solve the problem of older adults. In order for you to become an innovator, we try to mentor you, we give you the processes, we give you the tools, even the strategy, how to become an innovator. And all these tool, processes, and strategy for innovation mastery, it's set up on a foundation of science, it's not just gut feeling.
My aim from the fellowship program was to train in the different domains of geriatric medicine, something I had never done before. And this program offered that to my expectation and maybe even more. Another thing was the staff and the faculty were so great that I was able to build a good relationship, which I thought wouldn't be possible since I'm only here for a short time, which is a year. But the amount that I spent with them, it just turned my experience around.
Fellows have several teaching opportunities. First thing, though, to mention is that they are trained in how to become effective teachers. And then beyond that, they teach medical students in the acute care setting at Methodist Hospital, and they teach residents on house calls, going out to see the residents' patients.
So there are a ton of opportunities for teaching here, and that's a lot of times working with the learners, including medical students and residents. I've got to work with them on a bunch of my different rotations throughout fellowship, and that definitely reminded me of how much passion I have for teaching. And so just having the opportunity to be at IU and to continue to let that grow is really exciting for me.
So what I'm taking away is knowing that I enjoy more the inpatient side of geriatrics care, and I've gotten to experience that, learn about it, and actually feel prepared to go out into the world and practice because of my training in the program.
So I would say to anybody considering a career in geriatric medicine that a fellowship in geriatrics really opens up a lot of different opportunities to have an impact. Most geriatric fellows go on to provide direct patient care, but others will take on a teaching role and then research. There's still so much to be done about how do we better care for older adults. And then finally, where I'm working now is in health policy to help people get what they need to remain independent in the community. So I would say to anyone considering a career in geriatrics that this is a field that just opens up and is growing and has multiple opportunities for you to have a major impact in the lives of older adults.